Oh. Now that's what it's all about.
That's the meaning of the holiday. That's the
right.
reason for the season, as they say. And the giving back does not end there.
No.
Some other first responders are also giving back this season by supporting the nonprofit, I know this, Feeding America.
Feeding America, yeah. This year, the FDNY Foundation and its members teamed up with Nissin Food USA to help feed Americans during the holidays through its ultimate Fire Chef competition. I'm all ears.
I love this. Fire chefs from across the 5 boroughs competed to make the best dish using a product from Nissin Foods, the hot and spicy packets.
Hot dang. Wow. Today we are joined by EMS Lieutenants Patrick Parada and Matt, how do you say your last name, please?
Jakira.
Who were 2 of the front runners in the competition.
Lucky for us.
Well, if only they are living.
Smell-o-vision.
Good morning. Thank you. Marisol, Alex, good morning. How are you
Gentlemen,
guys?
I smell peanut sauce.
Oh.
Are my nostrils mistaking me?
Ginger. Right. Garlic. Of course.
Amazing.
A lot of spices came together to make this dish for you guys. We had the privilege of getting some product before it hit the shelves from Hot and Spicy Firewalk. That was the basis for this whole competition. They gave us these products and they told us, hey, come up with a recipe for it. They picked us. And we did the best we could.
He got right into it. Can we get into a little backstory first? Like, where are you?
How long have you been in the job?
I'm Lieutenant Patrick Parada from FDNY EMS. This is my coworker, Lieutenant Matt Jakira from FDNY EMS.
Hello.
The 2 of us work at EMS Station 22 in Staten Island.
Staten Island.
And we cook for our guys on the regular every weekend. So when the opportunity for this competition came up, they kind of tapped our shoulders and said, hey, you guys got to try this out. You guys are always cooking for the guys.
These are the men for the job.
Station 22. So that's what we did.
Station 22.
EMS Station 22.
Staten Island.
Station 22.
Now hold on, before we get into this business, what are you cooking for the fellas and ladies at the station?
At the station on the regular, we cook everything. We cook Italian food, we cook Spanish food, we cook a lot of Polish food. Matt and I are Italian, Polish, and American, so here we go. We mix it all together, and we do a variety of stuff. And we have a lot of opinions to satisfy. 20 guys we're cooking for on the regular every weekend. There's always opinions on what they like, what they don't like, so we only had one shot to really make this dish hit. So we tried this and one other one with the 2 choices we had from Firewalk. We had the Screamin' Szechuan beef and the torched chicken teriyaki, which are 2 flavors that are coming out. They're pepper infused into the noodles. It's really spicy and bold the whole way through, and we had to come up with a recipe based on those packets alone.
Well, yeah, your dish was called East Meets West.
East Meets West.
Right.
We went with the beef.
So what we did was, I'm a big fan of barbecue and smoking meat.
Who isn't?
So I figured we're going to do a little bit of beef, throw some barbecue sauce, but I'm like, the barbecue sauce that is homemade, we want to put a little twist on it. So we put a little bit of Szechuan spices in it, kind of homemade, delicious. I still have one that we used 2 weeks in the competition.
Still
My
delicious.
entire family just drowning everything in it.
I don't know how you still have any left.
Well, we made about a gallon
beef.
of it.
We made sliders. We did a lot. There's a lot you can do with these dishes. When we experimented, and it's all on their website. They actually took our recipes, posted them on their website for the competition, so there's no more secret.
There we go.
They have the secret to our sauce now.
We're smoking here.
Shall we get cooking?
A little bit of, all right, so you want to start with our beef ingredients over here? Go ahead, Matt.
All right, chef.
I may have to come around.
Listen, we'll move around you. We don't want to get in the way of the food. What's the first step?
So the first step is to get beef chuck and kind of cube it, something like you would do for the stewed meat.
Amazing.
Okay.
That would go, this would go right here.
Oh, in the crock pot.
And it goes right in the crock pot.
Beautiful.
So the original idea was
home.
to use a smoker.
Easy to make.
Okay.
But we want to make those recipes affordable and available to everyone to make. Like smoker is a lot expensive, not everyone can use one. So everyone has a crock pot.
Yes,
Then we put about 4 cups of beef broth.
Sure.
Lower sodium if you prefer.
There we go.
This ever so slightly.
And then oregano and rosemary.
See, it is oregano.
Each.
I say oregano and people look at me like I'm crazy. But I also say sexophanist.
Thank you. I'm gonna keep my comments to myself.
A little bit of garlic.
Garlic.
You can never have too much garlic.
It's a good vegetable for this time of the year.
A little bit of salt.
Yep.
And then soy sauce.
Soy sauce. I smell that one.
Okay. And since the noodles, hot and spicy noodles, come with those little flavor packets, this is a perfect blend of spices.
Okay.
Szechuan style, whichever one you prefer, but I love this. This gives you a little bit of kick.
Oh, I like
a little bit of kick goes a long way.
All right, so we're going to mix it all together.
Gorgeous.
All right.
And how long is this bad boy cooking?
Okay,
All
this
day,
bowl
babe.
is cooking for 6 hours.
6 hours.
You put it in.
hours.
High on 4, low on 6. That's what my crock pot says.
We're doing high on for 6 hours.
Okay.
When it's done, we take it out, shred it with forks.
And
That's
delicious.
the best
And
part.
then that's when the secret sauce comes in.
Oh.
All right.
You want a secret
So
sauce?
the secret
We can-
sauce
let's dance.
is a mix of hoisin, soy,
Oh.
garlic.
Okay.
Right, we
Ginger.
have ginger. We have salt and pepper to taste, and of course, any spice you want. Just add a little bit more red pepper.
Okay.
That's an easy, quick stir. 15 minutes on the skillet. That's
Okay.
not really a secret, and that's usually as a garnish, and you could add it to the meat as it's done to definitely moisten it up and make it delicious.
Okay.
As well as our vegetables. Now the vegetables and the noodles are all here. We go. We have chopped up carrots, chopped up celery. I'm gonna throw them all in
You
the pan
have
here.
some
Right?
meat
Yeah,
up
look
There
at
we
him
go,
go.
guys.
I'm going to stand
A
back.
little bit of onion.
Unbelievable.
Right? Okay,
Are you
so
sure
this.
you don't moonlight at one of New York City's hottest restaurants?
I'm not going to tell you. All right. So here we have our garlic. And
Yeah.
again, we got to have garlic and, of course, a little bit more ginger. Mix that in,
Yummy.
right? I'm going to stir that up a little bit more. Let me mix
Is
it
that cabbage? What's happening over
the
there?
cabbage I save for last because I like it a little crunchy at the end.
Yes.
All right. So if you throw it in too soon, it's gonna get a little
Mushon.
too soft. Yeah. Save it in for the end, right? Here I am sauteing our vegetables. Right when this becomes a little bit transparent, you throw in the noodles,
Yeah.
and that's when I throw in the cabbage right before it's done.
Okay.
This is what our product looks. I'm gonna lower
Crunch.
this off, right? This is what our product looks when it's closer to the end, when it's ready for you guys. Right
the
here.
magic happens.
Of course.
May
Now,
we?
what Matt and I decided was to take a pickled cucumber and radish salad on the side with a
Yummy.
little bit of red onion. And we pickled that over 2 hours. The instructions are on the website as well. And what that does, it takes away a little bit of the bite. In case it gets a little too spicy
Yes.
for you, that takes away a little bit of the bite, and that's a nice little garnish on the side. A little vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah, throw some vegetables, make it healthy.
Make it healthy.
Thank you. I appreciate a pickled
Is
vegetable
this
as
for
well.
show or can we eat this?
This is actually for you guys, but I can't let you start without the garnish now. Right?
Please.
We got a little bit of, who likes spicy? We like spicy? Because that's what this
I
is.
like a little bit of
Hot and
heat. A
spicy
little bit of
firewall,
heat.
all right?
A little bit of heat for
A
me.
little bit of red pepper.
Fantastic.
A little bit of sesame seeds.
Thank you guys for coming
And-
as your
Chef,
judging.
There we
thank
go.
you. Congratulations on all
thank
the
you,
wonderful
guys.
work
Todd is
that
more
you're
of the
doing.
chef. I'm
And
just the
thank you,
culinary
Chef. I'll shake your
specialist.
hand as
Yes.
well.
Thank
You're
you very much.
fantastic.
Yes,
No,
thank you.
teamwork makes
Thank
the
you.
Thank
dream
you for
work.
having us, of course.
Thank you for coming. If you at home would like to get any of these recipes, learn more about all of this stuff, oh my gosh, and especially Feed America, you can donate to feedamerica.org.
Oh, there's the heat.
There it is.
All right.